Hi, Spice Fam.
Welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today we're going to be showing you how to cook some, what is that?
Some chicken.
Yeah, some chicken. This recipe takes 20 minutes to cook and is so delicious. So I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. First, I'm going to start off with some chicken tenders. And you know that little white gristle part? We're going to remove that because that is a terrible thing to chew on. So we're going to remove that. And then I'm going to place that inside of a bowl. And I'm going to chop up some fresh garlic. Season my meat with just black pepper and just a teaspoon of some chicken bouillon. And then I'm going to crush up some parsley because I don't have any Italian seasoning. Then I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of flour and then mix it in. You don't need to do anything else to your mix. Now I'm going to add some oil. You don't need to deep fry them because it's no need to do this. And I'm cooking this on medium, so I'm slow cooking it. And I'm just going to flip it over. I cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. And then I'll remove it from the pan. And that's how your chicken will look. Now, this is optional. You do not have to add ginger to your sauce. But I think that this is a great addition to it. And I feel like that it'll bring a more natural flavor to it. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter and my chopped garlic and some chopped ginger. You don't need too much ginger. And I'm not going to wash the pan out because I do need that stuff at the bottom of the pan. And I'm just going to squeeze 1/2 of lemon in it. And we'll squeeze the other half later. Then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of flour. And I didn't have any chicken bouillon, like the chicken broth. So what I did was I put 2 chicken bouillon cubes inside of some water. And I just boiled it until it dissolved. And then I'm adding that to my flour and my lemon as well. And then I'm just going to mix this in and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. I cooked some white rice with it. And I also added some bell peppers, sliced them up really softly, really small and skinny. So tried to decorate the plate, but I did what I can, and I really enjoyed this dish. It was so awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it.